The crispy skin makes all the difference. Delicious. Quick, easy, delicious. And quite frankly, the food industry can keep all their lies. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a crock pot honey garlic whole chicken. Hands off, little prep. You're going to see me do it in my robe. You want to use chicken breast, chicken thighs, chicken drumsticks, or do the whole chicken just like I am. Same recipe, same technique, same fall off the bone deliciousness. Because one of the biggest complaints that people make when they do crockpot chicken, it's the skin is soggy. How do we solve that? If you watch my channel, I'm Karen. You know I like to do things quick, easy, and delicious. I don't want a lot of prep time. I don't want any science experiments, and I want it to be just that simple. If that's you, you're in the right place.
And you know what gets me? The food industry has spent decades telling us that real food is the problem, that fat makes you fat, that chicken skin is the enemy, that honey is something you have to give up if you want to be healthy. And if you know what they are selling us while they're saying all that, sugar. In everything, cereal, yogurt, salad dressing, protein bars, you name it, they were pumping it full of sugar and then putting low fat on the front of the box like that meant something. Meanwhile, the back of the package, net carbs 40, 50 grams in a healthy yogurt, but hey, it was fat-free, so we were good, right? We've been sold these lies for so long, and I finally figured it out. A lot of you have figured it out, actually. And the food we grew up eating, the chicken, the butter, the garlic, even honey, I'm using the no sugar, but even regular honey would be better than a processed anything. That was never the problem. The problem was that we were putting in the processed stuff and calling it food. So tonight I'm making dinner with real ingredients, the way we used to eat before somebody in a boardroom decided they could do it better, slap it, a healthy label on it, and a box full of sugar and sell it to us as something good for us. And yes, this is honey garlic chicken. The only reason people stopped eating it was because somebody told them they had to. Now we have options like this wholesome young, zero sugar honey, same flavor, and you're back in business. To make the honey garlic glaze. Now this is a complete personal preference, but this is the simplest, easiest way to do it. And this is how I do it, and I think you should too. What we do is we take our minced garlic, our wholesome young, no sugar honey, soy sauce, and a little bit of lemon juice. That's it. We mix it together. Now, if you like stuff extra sweet, you're probably going to double the amount of honey that I put in here.
Hi, I'm Karen. If you're new around here, I want you to know it's taken me 45 years of yo-yo dieting to get to this point in my life. And if you're struggling too, you're not alone. We're in this together. But I can tell you, it is possible, it is sustainable, and it is realistic, and you're not gonna have to count and restrict and starve and deprive yourself like you have for years, and neither do I. Yesterday was the 4th of July. Let me tell you something. Like those kids say, I went buck wild. Am I gonna beat myself up? No, I'm not. Go watch my top 3 things that I did, and one of them is going to show you that if you went buck wild yesterday too, you didn't blow a thing. You can get right back on plan, and you don't have to start over again on Monday. Then you're going to see, so we're going to transfer it into this pan, finish it off, and glaze it. You got to gingerly take it out because it's definitely going to fall apart. As you can see, it's already falling apart. When you do it so delicious, look at this. Oh my gosh. Now, I'm gonna get these legs in here. Oh boys, this is gonna be so freaking good. You guys, I'm so excited. Dump some of this juice on here. If you wanted to take this rest of this juice, add a little bit more honey, add some beef gelatin, add some xanthan gum, and you could make it a lot thicker glaze. But I'm not concerned with that, personally. Did you notice how many pots we have to clean up? 1, the crock pot. That's my way of cooking. And to the oven to crisp up the skin. Can I ask you a favor? You would greatly help my small little channel if you stop now, give this video a thumbs up, like it, hype it, or make a comment. Most importantly, make a comment, please. Now, if you're looking for another great chicken thigh in the crockpot recipe, check this out here. It is by far my most popular video. I did it eons ago. I do it in the crockpot, finish it off in the broiler the same way, and people just love it. So I hope you do too. Let's get this out of the broiler. It's done. I'm excited. I'm always excited to show you guys what the finished product looks like. Okay, it wasn't quite in 10 minutes. Check this deliciousness out. Look at this. Is that beautiful? You guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for you to eat it. Okay, guys. I'm gonna show you one more shot and then we're gonna eat. What do you think? This is our leg. Watch this fall off the bone. So delicious. Look at that. You can't get more fall off the bone than that, guys. Look at that. That was done. No BS here. And look at this crispy chicken. Okay, the taste test. Cheers. Man, is that good. It's so good. It's just the right amount of sweetness for me. Guys, I'm Karen. I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for stopping back. When the meat's this delicious, you don't need sides. Oh, it's so good, Bruce. Bye, guys.